Number 5. The FMS-FNT10. Chevrolet Colorado is an impressive new RC release that blends authentic scale detail with rugged off-road performance, making it a standout model for enthusiasts who value both realism and capability. Inspired by the full-size Chevrolet Colorado, this RC truck showcases a highly detailed body with precision-molded lines, a realistic grille, and functional components that capture the look of the real vehicle. Built on the reliable FMT10 platform, it features a solid 4-link suspension system and oil-filled shock absorbers that allow it to handle rough terrain with ease, while the high-torque motor and advanced drivetrain deliver smooth power and control, whether on trails, dirt, or rocky surfaces. Its beadlock wheels and all-terrain tires. Number 4. The KYOSHO FAZER D2 FZ-D2 is an exciting addition to the RC drift scene, combining scale realism with performance-driven engineering to deliver an experience that's both beginner-friendly and advanced enough for seasoned drivers. In 1/10 scale with a rear-wheel drive setup, it features KYOSHO's ultra-scale body design, which captures the fine details of real-world drift machines with precision, from molded light buckets and mirrors to intricately crafted bumpers, with plus versions even concealing the body clips for a clean, authentic look. Underneath, the specialized drift chassis is equipped with a gyro-assisted receiver that automatically balances steering and throttle inputs, making counter-steering smoother and more controlled, ensuring even newcomers can master the art of drifting with confidence. Its design emphasizes adjustability and realism, offering an adaptable wheelbase for different body shells, a high-mounted motor for ideal weight distribution, long-span suspension arms for maximum steering angle, and drift-specific tires that look as good as they perform. As a ready-set package, it comes fully pre-assembled with pre-installed electronics and a factory-finished body, letting enthusiasts start drifting straight out of the box, while still offering plenty of room for customization and upgrades as their skills and style evolve. Number 3. The FMS1-7 Ford Bronco RTR EB Brushless 4WDRS stands as a powerhouse in the world of large-scale RC off-road racing, blending authentic scale detail with raw desert racing performance. Modeled after the iconic Ultra 4 machines, it comes. Number 2. The ARRMARC QUAKE 223 SBLX is a ferocious 1/10 scale 2WD brushless monster truck that perfectly blends speed, durability, and smart control, giving drivers of all levels a truly thrilling experience. Straight out of the box, it's ready to unleash its power, hitting over 35 miles per hour with a 2's LiPo or blasting past 50 miles per hour with a 3S pack for those who crave extreme performance. At its heart, Spectrum Electronics provide intelligent features such as throttle limiting with selectable 50%, 75%, and 100% speed modes, along with dynamic stability control, DSC, to keep the truck steady and precise as you master steering and traction on demanding terrain. Designed to take punishment, it's built around a rugged composite chassis with a heavy-duty transmission, mesh-safe motor plates, oil-filled shocks, and adjustable ride height, ensuring it can withstand the roughest bashing sessions. It's bold. Aggressive monster truck body pairs with a clipless retention system for quick, hassle-free access, while the high-grip D-Boots cut chevron tires on tough wheels maximize traction and style across dirt, grass, or pavement. Adding to the convenience, a bottom-loading battery tray makes pack changes fast and easy, and a wheelie bar. Number 1. The Traxxas Mini/44 packs the adrenaline of full-scale short-course truck racing into a compact, travel-ready machine that doesn't compromise on power or performance. Equipped with the BL2S brushless system, featuring a 3300 kV motor and fan-cooled ESC, it delivers explosive acceleration and speeds surpassing 30 miles per hour right out of the box, with the potential to push well beyond 50 miles per hour when upgraded to a 3's LiPo. Its extended 235 millimeters wheelbase, derived from the Mini Max platform, ensures stability at high speeds while maintaining nimble handling across varied terrain. Durability comes standard with a full-time 4WD shaft-driven drivetrain, sealed steel gear, differentials, 32-pitch gears, and heavy-duty drive shafts, all components engineered to withstand the rigors of aggressive driving. Suspension duties are handled by double wishbones paired with oil-filled Ultra shocks, giving the truck both resilience and precise control. The clipless short-course style body, complete with molded driver details, not only enhances realism, but also simplifies battery changes, while interlocking skid plates and protective bumpers guard the chassis from impacts. Outfitted with waterproof electronics, a dependable servo, a TQ 2.5